Today I have brought a very interesting product for you, and this is basically, we have a laptop stand. In this laptop stand, you get dual hinge support, so it is a great option for gaming laptop. Please do subscribe to the channel, so let's move ahead. So friends, the box packing is what it is. It is quite simple. You don't get any more suggestions about it. The typing is quite good. For a while, I thought I am packing a laptop in a box. Then here, you get to see a cooling pad AOE. In the box, which is given with very good production, you only get to see this. This is a USB Type to Type 1 cable, which will be used to run the fans. Now let's talk here. Listen to the build quality of this gaming cooling pad. The build quality is top, which I liked very much, and here you have been given a holder to keep the office laptop. It has a back design. It will be used to make your adjustment, so you can see here. Yes, you get to see different adjustments here, so you can put them in any of these. Very good loop from the front. Now, I like it a lot. If you find it interesting, you can see it here. It is quite good. Now, first of all, we will see its USB cable, what kind of quality it is, how long it is. Okay, so this was basically the cable you use, then you can run your fans only with the power of the laptop. You will also be able to hear its sound. He takes you a little closer, so you will hear the sound very good. And the blue color in your fans also looks very beautiful in my opinion. So if I tell you a feeling here, the temperature as of now has dropped a lot. It is feeling very cold. We have placed this stand, and this is our laptop of this thing. So first of all, we will use this new gaming laptop. So here you can see it, basically, where its placement. Any wire, any charger, you can easily use it. And here it will not save you in any way. And if you want to pause it, you can do that easily. So if you like this unboxing and this video, then please do reply and subscribe to the channel. That's all for today. Till then, in the next video, out. Thanks for watching.